Hey guys, excuse the mess that I'm going to be showing you in a second, but I was just streaming here for a second, and I got up, and I was going to make something to eat, and then a package from Amazon.com arrived, and because I don't live in America, this wasn't supposed to arrive today, it was supposed to arrive on Monday, and inside this Amazon box was another box, and then, okay, just making sure I didn't show any information there, and I didn't. And then inside that box was this box here, pretty freaking cool box. Each side has like zombie stuff on it, and then all this was sort of packaged in here. As you can see, we got the fridge and safety instructions, my season pass for the Xbox, the Giant, Nuketown. I'm not even sure what this is. Artwork or something. Yeah, it looks like it. Sorry for the poor camera work here. But looks like we got some like art pieces here. I could take those out in a second. We've got the Steelbook hard case game. And then here, that's what the bigger red box with all the zombies on it was wrapped in. And then boom, there's a little fridge. Juggernog fridge. So, pop it open, you got two shelves in there. Room for little drinks, I guess a Red Bull and stuff if you're into that, but I'm not. And on the back here, we got the little on-off switch. So, boom, you pop the little on switch there to make your stuff cool. And I believe it's supposed to make jingles as you open it, but maybe it's not been on for long enough, but yep, that's that. I want to show these off though too, so apologies once again for the poor camera work. Let me put this down for a second. This jar is ridiculously difficult to open for some reason. Ah, Jesus. So sick. We got some coasters here, which I'm actually excited about because I had a coaster on my desk before, but I got rid of it. So let me just lay these out. So again, sorry for camera work. I'm also gonna get these artwork things laid out. Oh, these are the different specialists. Very cool, very cool. Okay, better camera work. Get the double tap, sort of little coaster. This almost feels like a magnet material. Quick Revive, Speed Cola, Juggernog, the four sort of classic ones right there. Then you got the specialists, so the Annihilator person, the Sparrow, the, I don't even remember, the Gravity Slam Spikes person, the dude with the Hive and Rejack, one that I don't even know, the Scythe dude, I don't know what this dude does, I don't remember, Tempest, the Assassin I think he is. So then we got all those little pieces of artwork, our stuff, our game, our DLC codes, and the fridge. So I'm going to. I actually bought this game on Steam today, or well, yesterday rather, I guess, and I've been playing it these past 2 days because this was supposed to come on Monday, but it came today. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching.